Have a banana, Hannah. Try the salami, Tommy. Give it the gravy, Davy. Everybody eats when they come to my house. Try a tomato plate too. Here's cacciatore, Dory. Taste the bologna, Tony. Everybody eats when they come to my house. I fix your favorite dishes, hoping this good food fills ya. Work my hands to the bone in the kitchen alone. You better eat if it kills ya. Pass me a pancake, Mandrake. Having a derby. Looking
Okay, we're going to Pomona Valley Mining Company, and I haven't been in there. When was the last time you were there?
I believe it was before I recycled spouses.
Yeah, the last time I was in there with Stuart Duff and Brad Harmon.
I think I was there with Linda, and I remember Christine. I think one of the two of them tripped up a step, and they were talking about suing. But there had been lawsuits between them before.
I have a feeling it's been about 45 years since I've been there. Okay. We'll see what it's like.
We drive by it all the time.
Yep, and we finally decided to go. Okay, fellow Epicureans, here we are at the Pomona Valley Mining Company.
You? Hopefully inside the restaurant you don't see the swamp pool on top of the kitchen.
And the last time we were here, I was here, was like 40 years ago. Marlene remembers being here since, though.
I used to come monthly for a meeting. HR.
HR meeting?
Yeah, HR. I can't think of the word I'm looking for.
Okay, everybody.
Human resources professionals.
We're going in.
I haven't been down here. The meeting rooms are upstairs. They said that there was a celebration of life going on tonight. So
The last time I was here, this was all tables, and Brad and Stuart and I sat right here looking out over the canyon.
The steps over there with the white lights on, with the red lights on them?
Yes.
Those were white lights. They were not well lit. There was some lights that were missing. And we were seated down there. And I don't recall whether it was Christine or Linda. One of them slipped on the steps. I know Linda. Christine was upset because his promoter slipped.
Didn't she sue McDonald's once?
Linda did,
Yeah. Because the door fell on her?
Yep. The hinge was broken. The door fell on it.
Anyway, here's the bar ambiance. Anyway, more when we get seated. Hey everybody, I know it's really low light in here and I apologize for that. I'm not showing you the menu because there was somebody's dinner still smeared all over it.
If you're interested, you can Google it.
Yeah.
Yelp it.
You can Yelp it. But I'm going to give you the ambiance here.
Spinning again.
Okay.
Going too fast to see the smog out the window.
I'm going to tell you everything when we're done. I'm having the ribeye and she's having the...
I'm having the filet mignon with extra style.
Okay.
That comes with crab meat and asparagus for days.
Now the dinner includes cheesy bread and soup and salad from the salad bar. So we're going to partake of that right now. Later maybe. Well, we have our soup and salad and cheesy bread. So I'll show you our dinners. As usual, I've demolished my salad. And Mrs. Patrol is still working on hers, but that's normal. I'm going to attempt to suit. Let you know. Buffet?
We do have a buffet on Sunday morning.
Okay, thank you.
So if you want to come back on a Sunday, it's really
Okay,
fun.
well, we'll see. There's my steak.
I've already made mine a mess. I'm sorry, it was really pretty.
That's all right.
The asparagus was crossed on the
Already
top.
cut hers.
I've already cut it.
And now we eat. Okay, ladies and gents, patrol members, fellers and fellerettes.
Well, the view got a little better.
You would be hard pressed to get out of here for less than that unless you were by yourself.
It's over $100, right?
Right. No appetizers, no sides, no real drinks, just Cokes.
Only one. I only have water.
It's $126.52. We haven't included the tip yet. So. There's no pen.
Did you give me the credit card already?
No.
Well, how can you sign this? You have to give me the card.
I know. So I'm gonna have to ask her for a pen. Okay. I'm going to give it 5 Joshua trees. The service was good. The food was excellent. Did you think it was excellent? Or you didn't?
The béarnaise sauce tasted a little odd to me. But maybe it's been a very long time since I've had one. And I was thinking of Mornay, which is made with Swiss cheese, or béarnaise, I believe, is something else. But yeah, I probably would have had soup if it was something that appealed to me. Instead, I had a salad, which I was not able to finish before they brought the meal. And you know, it's entree only. If you want it's entree and there's soup and salad bar, and it's nice. There was plenty of things on the salad bar from which to choose. There was macaroni salad. There was a potato salad, or red skin potatoes with slices. There were chilies, and the chilies were kind of, you know, as you're going by getting your olives and that sort of thing. The chilies were kind of smelly. I mean, you know, aroma. They were strong. You could
yeah,
smell
because they're
the
pickled. They're
heat.
pickled chilies.
Well, there was jalapenos there too. Anyway, it was tasty. It was very tasty. If you wanted a potato, it was extra. If you wanted rice pilaf, it was extra. If you wanted a vegetable with your meal, it was extra. You know.
Right.
And the meals were, I mean, mine was $62.
Yeah.
It was a little steak. It was tasty.
So.
I wouldn't give it 5 myself, but feels very generous.
Well, because the last time I had a steak this good was in Utah at the Longhorn Steakhouse.
I had filet, and the filet was very tender. It was very good.
Yes. When you order a steak well done, which is what I do, and it comes butter soft when you cut it with a knife, but it's still well done, that's a well cooked steak. And not everybody can do that. So this restaurant has been here for over 50 years.
Yes.
It's long in the tooth. I mean, you can tell that
it's a theme restaurant. It was very, you know, the thing to do in the 70s and 80s was to have a theme, and it's up on a hilltop, so it has a lovely view. What was the other one that Reuben's Steakhouse used to have a lovely view? Right. But it really was. I mean, it was a view literally of the freeway. Yay.
Yeah, but it was a view, right?
Yeah.
And you can see from the remains of the old valet parking booth. Yeah. At one time they had valet parking.
Yeah.
You know.
There is no handicapped. There is no elevator. It's you enter from the upper area and go down a steep set of stairs to the main dining area. There, I asked about a handicapped entrance. You can park in the employee parking lot and go through the bowels of the restaurant to get to the dining room.
The employee entrance.
Yeah, it didn't sound very enticing to me. I made him climb the stairs. We made it up.
Made me. Yeah, we got up. We're good. We're good. Going upstairs, like I said in my other video, is easy. Going down is the hard part.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pomona Valley Mining Company. The theme here was obviously a mine. The accoutrement was very cute. You know, it was very rustic.
And of course, I'll put the address up at some point. But you take the 10 West from Los Angeles, you get off at Fairplex, you go north on Fairplex, you make the first right turn, which takes you down through where all the parking rides are. And then off to your left, you'll see a building and a newly paved road.
Yeah, they
leading up to the restaurant. Yeah, so.
This place
it's repaved.
Yeah.
It wasn't dirt.
This place, it has been in the past very famous as a hot spot for, you know, hooking up and all that stuff.
Yeah, hookup place.
And it's a pretty tiny, narrow road to get, and steep, to get down the hill from our view area, down the hill to where life is. And you know, you come up here and you get all liquor it up. I don't know why they haven't killed, why more people haven't killed themselves going down that hill.
Well, like I said, the last time I was here, I was in my 20s, and I don't remember driving down. I didn't drive. I was...
The ride.
I think I was totally unconscious when I got back to the car, but anyway.
Exactly what's in a zombie, do you know?
No.
My mother used to like stingers. I think they had creme de menthe in them, but I'm not sure.
Now, these zombies are pretty sweet.
You know? And pretty powerful.
Yeah.
Especially when you have, I'll be quiet.
Yeah, when you have what?
I wasn't going to rat you out.
There's nothing to rat me out about. Seven. Of them. Well, I was like 25. That was a long time ago.
Out. What's in a zombie? Anyway. Hey Siri, what's in a zombie cocktail?
That was loud.
The zombie is a tiki cocktail made of fruit juices, liqueurs, and various rums. It first appeared in late 1934. Invented by Don Beach at his Hollywood Don the Beachcomber restaurant. Would you like to hear more?
No, thank you.
No, we're good. Well, there you have it, guys.
Liqueurs and various rums.
That's right, and fruit juices.
It sounds like it's right up my alley.
Okay,
but
so
not 7 of them.
We're gonna go home and pass out.
You will.
Because it's an ample amount of food, you're not getting cheated on your portions.
No, it was good.
So with the tip, we were out $145.59.
So $70 a piece.
Yep. So there you go. Later, mater.
One day, Bonnie and Clyde said to me, Senor Noggles, what do we have to do to get a real Mexican taco? Rob a bank? No, I said, I'll sell you my crisp taco for 69 cents. 69 cents for a crisp tortilla filled with my seasoned ground beef, lettuce, cheese, and of course, I put tomatoes on my tacos. At 69 cents, Bonnie and Clyde thought my crisp tacos were a steal, so they stole them.
Senor Noggles crisp tacos, 69 cents for a limited time only.